When you're 18, you're just starting out in life. But the number one problem that you're facing is how can we earn money? It's a very universal problem, especially people in college. So what do? You try to look for internships or jobs, but no one wants to hire you because you don't have experience. Every job requires some level of experience. So what can you do if you want to earn money while you're in college? Well, it's 2026. It's the age of AI. There is so much going on around the world. You don't actually need a job to start making money. You have the leverage of these 3-4 years where you have a lot of time at your hands and you have a lot of energy. So you might as well start making some real money out of it after learning some real value skills. And that's exactly what we'll talk about in this video. I'm going to give you a list of 5 different options. It does not matter how old you are. You could be 18, you could be 25. If you're stuck in life, if you're just starting out, you don't have any other choices, this is exactly what you can do. Let's get right into it. A quick disclaimer, this isn't going to be one of those videos where I'm going to teach you dropshipping or I'm going to give you hacks on how to make money online very fast. Those markets are already very overcrowded and it's 2026 and I'm not here selling snake oil that will make you money very fast. So all of these things are skill based and it'll take time for you to start making money. There are 2 very important things that have changed in the market today. The first is the creator economy and the second is AI. Creators in India already influence a lot of money that is moving around in the market. Number मैं नहीं बताने वाला, ChatGPT कर लो या screen पे कहीं पे लिखा आएगा. And the second thing is that AI has quietly become the great equalizer. So even if you don't have a lot of skills, you can accomplish tasks that you don't even know about, you leveraging and using AI. And make sure you stick till the end because I'm also going to give you the exact message that will get you replies. So let's get right into it. The first one leverages the creator economy. It's UGC content creation. New age brands, D2C brands, old age brands, every brand in the market like Mamaearth, Boat, Lenskart, they're paying a lot of money for regular people to make realistic looking ads because these polished ads, they're not working today. Anyone in college with decent English and a decent phone, you can pick up the camera and start learning the skill of content creation. So let me break down the exact roadmap for this. Number 1, pick 2 to 3 products that you already have and you are comfortable with. Number 2, check out what other creators have created for these 2 products. Whatever the 3 best ideas are, unboxing, it could be using the product, it could be anything. Just record it out. You can use AI to help you draft the scripts up. And then using this small portfolio that you have just created, start outreaching 20 to 30 brands a day until someone just replies to you. Offer them UGC videos, create a pricing plan. You can even start with just creating a free sample for them to get started with. Once you have 20-30 such free samples, then you have an extensive portfolio. Just start posting them online. Some of these videos will start picking up, and if they don't, that's fine because some brand will eventually reply back to you and the journey will keep on expanding. But even if you do 10-15 videos in a month, you can easily earn anywhere from 10,000 to 50,000 per month. That's a lot of money, especially when you're in college. But what if you're not comfortable in front of the camera? So I have a different hack for you, which brings me to the second point, which is content repurposing. इस वाले मॉडल में it's very simple. You have to start consuming a lot of good quality, high quality content of very big creators. And then you can start a page where you start repurposing this content. Here, the skill set that you're learning is video editing. If you can learn that along with scripting and ideation, then you can do something that is known as clipping. Now, clipping in 2026 is earning a lot of money for a lot of these video editors. You pick up these great videos by people like Alex Hormozy and you clip up versions of that video and start posting it on your profile. It could be a motivational profile, it could be a learning profile, it could be an educational profile, it could be a sports profile. You basically clip videos together. And then once you have a good following, then all these big creators start reaching out to you to repurpose their videos. And you can also start approaching big creators once you have built a solid portfolio using clipping. In this, you can also leverage AI. You can use tools like Clip Connect, which automatically produces clippings of long format videos. But हाँ, इसमें comparative edge आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा. You need to produce videos that can actually go viral because that will be the key here. You can do this on YouTube, you can do this on Instagram. Clippings is earning a lot of money. It can start anywhere from 5 to 10,000. It can even go up to 1 lakh. Depends upon how many videos you can produce and what's the volume that you're playing at. Let's look at the realistic roadmap for this one. First of all, learn video editing because that's important. And second, start leveraging an AI tool. You can use tools like Opus Clip or even simple tools like CapCut's or Auto Clip feature. Pick 2-3 creators and niches that you already understand well. Create 10 to 15 sample clips from public content and then start posting them online. Now some of these videos might start performing, and if they don't, repeat this process until you have like 100 videos on that page. Once you have done 100 videos, first you'll be a great video editor by now, and second, some of these videos have to work. If they don't, then at this point what you can do is you can start approaching creators directly. So it's a win-win in either case. So in the first 3 to 6 months you can start making money. So both of these were about videos and how you can leverage the creator economy. But if videos is not your thing and you want to just do something creative, then this next one might be helpful. The third one is graphic design. Why specifically say graphic design? Because a lot of you guys might be studying about this in your colleges. But with AI, any fresher from any part of the country can start delivering real work and get paid for it. This could mean anything from logo design to social media creatives to banner design to YouTube thumbnails to posters to college banners to flyers. It could be anything. But why is it relevant right now in 2026? Because now every small business requires graphic design. Even if you are a small local vendor in Madhya Pradesh to a very big company in Maharashtra, everyone requires good design. Then there are a lot of people who can produce good design. So when there's so much demand in the market, someone needs to supply to them. And that's where you come in. You can do it for a cheaper price, you can do it faster, you have a lot of time, so you can learn a new skill. And with AI, all of this graphic design work is just faster and leaner now. So you don't need those 5 years of experience to start branding, because someone who requires branding in 20,000 or 15,000, they are not looking for the best branding in the world. They just need something that works. So what's the roadmap for this? Let's break it down. First, learn how to use Canva and Figma, these fast tools that produce design fast. Second, pick up the industry that you really like. Create 5 to 10 test projects so that you can showcase that to the end consumers. Third, showcase your portfolio on platforms like Behance, Dribbble, Instagram, Pinterest. And then, of course, finally, just start approaching people. Just start talking to designers. Just start talking to these different companies. The first clients generally come from people you know of, and then give them a very discounted pricing to build on your portfolio. This is a short way to easily earn anywhere from 15,000 to 50,000 a month while you are still in college. So enough about design and creative work only. Let's talk a little bit about tech and how you can leverage AI. So all you engineers out there, because मेरे को पता है हर दूसरा लड़का तो ये वीडियो देखने वाला engineering कर रहा होगा, just like me. Which brings me to the fourth point, which is creating fast and efficient AI first websites. Most small businesses in India still can't afford to pay lakhs for a website. So definitely they can't use professional freelancers or professional agencies to build their websites. This is exactly where you come in. You can leverage tools like Claude Code or Lovable or Emergent. There are way too many tools right now, and start creating your website. And once you get a hang of it, once you understand the visuals, the business problems, the content and all of that, you can start pitching it to real customers. So this is a real roadmap of what you can do. First, learn these AI platforms, learn the basics of websites. Second, create these test projects, again 5 to 10. Third, target 5 businesses that you already know of. Create free of cost websites for them, and then just approach the business owner. Show them these websites and tell them that I created these free of cost for you. If you want it, then just pay me like 2,000 rupees or something. Usual websites in India, they can start anywhere from 5,000 to 10,000. So you can charge that money from any one business owner once you have established a portfolio. So create websites for 5 businesses that do not have a website. Once you have created these 5 websites, then start showing them to the business owner directly. If they like the website, try selling them the website directly. If they agree, then you start making real money on day one. If they don't agree, then just put that website in your portfolio and it will be useful when you start pitching it to the real customers next time. So it's a win-win either way. Now we have covered everything from creative to videos to tech. But if you know multiple skills by month 6 or month 10, then you can probably get into something that gives you regular income. Which brings me to the last point, which is social media management. Literally every business requires social media because they can't grow without it. Now, if you can create videos and graphic design, then you can start selling a social media retainer to your clients. What you need to learn is social media calendar ideation, review the different competition, and just produce something that is better than the competition in the market. You can easily charge anywhere from 20,000 to 50,000 rupees, depends upon your skill set and how well you can execute your work. And in return, you just have to manage the social media of a specific company, create videos for them, create posts for them, manage their stories, and that's more or less about it. And people will pay you money on a month-to-month basis for it. So let me break this down into a clear roadmap. First, learn video editing and graphic design. Second, take a local business that you already know of. Third, create a sample week for them or create a grid design that would be attractive to them. This just needs to look better than their current page. And then lastly, just simply approach the business owner and show them this grid. If you have designed it well, they'll be impressed. Now come to a number that they can agree with you. If they agree with 20,000 or 25,000 or 30,000, based upon that, start pitching a retainer that this is the number of posts I'll do, this is what I'll do on a month-to-month basis, and that's it. Deal done. If you have 3 of those clients in a month, that's close to 1 lakh a month you can earn from just managing social media. And that's pretty much it. That's the 5 ideas that can help you make real money right now. But before you pick one, let me give you something that I promised at the very beginning of the video. Let's talk about that script. So here it is, word to word. Let me just open this. Hi Dash, I have been following this specific thing about that business, and I make this specific thing that you do for people just like you. I'd love to send you a free sample of sorts, no strings attached, so that you can just see the work. Let me know if I can send that over now. So notice what this is not. This is not a big pitch. There is no price mentioned. This is just a free and low risk step. And this would clearly work across all the 5 ideas that we talked about. And another small hack is you can even add a line that I'm a student and this is what I'm doing on the side. That could help you as well. So the thing is, none of this replaces your degree and none of this is getting you rich by Friday. But the thing is that every one of this is real and it's working right now for people your age. And most of them are right now in college doing this. And I already know students who are paying their entire college fees by following this. So this definitely works. And this does not require any money and any connections or any privilege to get started with any of this. And if you want a full step-by-step guide on any one of these specific things, then let us know about that in the comments below and we'll be happy to make a follow-up video on that specific skill. And if this helped you even slightly, तो सब्सक्राइब तो कर ही सकते हो, फ्री में हो रहा है, सपोर्ट करो, हम कंटेंट और बनाएंगे और वैल्यू देंगे. Until next time, may the force be with you. क्या पता कैसे बोलूँ, मेरे को पता है कितने मिलते थे कॉलेज में, 0.